Typewiser AI is one of the most exciting AI tools released recently, and today we're diving deep into 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. Whether you're a business owner or just an enthusiast looking for the best new AI software, this review will cover everything from its features to its real-world use cases. And stick around till the end because I'll be sharing exactly why this might be one of the best AI tools for 2025. Also, you can try Typewiser AI for free. Just click the first link in the description below. Let's get right into it. First off, Typewiser is designed to help streamline content creation by assisting with writing and enhancing productivity. If you've been looking for a tool that helps you create high-quality content quickly, Typewiser's AI-powered text assistant might be exactly what you need. It integrates seamlessly into your workflow and provides instant suggestions, making it ideal for bloggers, marketers, and anyone who needs to write quickly but effectively. One of the standout features of Typewiser AI is its real-time editing and writing suggestions. The AI doesn't just correct grammar, it improves clarity, adjusts tone, and even suggests more engaging words. This is ideal if you want to up your writing game without constantly second-guessing yourself. The tool learns from your writing style over time, so it gets better at personalizing recommendations based on your preferences. Another impressive aspect is its ability to generate high-quality content for a variety of use cases. Whether you're crafting blog posts, social media content, or marketing copy, Typewiser can help you craft engaging and effective text with minimal effort. It has templates for everything from email campaigns to website copy, which can save you a ton of time if you're managing multiple projects at once. What's really exciting about Typewiser is its ability to integrate with popular platforms like Google Docs, WordPress, and even directly into your email system. This makes it incredibly versatile and easy to adopt into your current workflow, whether you're writing in a browser or using a traditional desktop application. Now, let's talk about pricing. While many AI tools can get expensive, Typewiser gives you access to a basic version for free, and its premium plans are fairly affordable considering the range of features you get. You can upgrade if you need access to more advanced options like plagiarism detection, SEO optimization, and enhanced content creation capabilities. This makes it a cost-effective solution for anyone who's serious about their content. Another thing to consider is the AI's speed. Unlike some other tools that can be slow or buggy, Typewiser works efficiently and is capable of generating suggestions or writing new content almost instantly. This speed is a real game changer if you're under tight deadlines or working on high volume content. If you're worried about the learning curve with new software, don't be. Typewiser's user interface is incredibly intuitive. Even if you're not tech savvy, you'll quickly get the hang of it. The software provides clear guidance and support to ensure you're getting the most out of its features. But there's something else you should know before deciding to dive in. Typewiser is constantly evolving. They're committed to releasing regular updates and adding new features to make the software even more powerful and tailored to users' needs. So, even if you try it now and think there's room for improvement, rest assured that they're actively working to make it better. In summary, Typewiser AI is an incredibly useful tool for anyone looking to improve their writing efficiency, create content faster, and enhance the overall quality of their work. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or business owner, it's a tool you should definitely try out. And remember, you can try it for free by clicking the link in the description below. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I can confidently say Typewiser is one of the best. If you want to explore more great AI tools like it, check out the list of recommended software in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.